programming tool, we can say that there are different tools available, Power BI, Tableau, Click, and many others, which is used for visualization, giving our data a good visual presence to analyze the data and retrieve information, insight about the data, whatever we get from the client, okay, or on day-to-day basis, if we want to analyze any data. So we can use Power BI. This is the system which is provided by Microsoft. Okay, this is one of the product of, you can say, product of Microsoft. Okay, I think you people be aware of this Power BI. Here you don't need to write any code, just you need to drag and drop. Okay, so you first ingest the data into this Power BI system, then you analyze, visualize the things accordingly with the help of different graphs available. And afterwards, analyzing the data, you can create a report or dashboard that is called in it. Okay. What is Power BI? So this is what the general definition of Power BI. Okay. So it is a business analytics service or tool offered by Microsoft. So creating visual appealing dashboards and reports like that. So Power BI icon looks like this. This is the icon of the Power BI. Whenever you download it from any browser, so you will get this icon and you need to install on your desktop. This is called Power BI desktop. So this icon will be appearing on your desktop whenever you want to work on it. So you just need to click and you will be on the dashboard of this Power BI. So features, key features, why Power BI is needed. Okay. So I will, after explaining all those little bit of information or theory part, I will walk you through the practical part of this, how we work on Power BI tools. I will give you a glimpse of that, and I will perform different tasks over it. Okay. So why we need Power BI? What are the key features of Power BI? Simple and data connectivity. Different data sources are available: Excel sheet, a CSV file, different databases like Postgres, SQL databases. From anywhere, there are 100 plus data sources from where we can connect the data to Power BI to analyze our data. Here what we do, transform our data. If any missing values, if any cleaning is required, that is done. Then relationship modeling tables are there, and afterwards charts and graphs based on the data available. If we want to plot the region-wise sales graph or charts based on the what are the profits different categories are giving us. So all kind of charts and graphs will be plotted in it. Okay. And after plotting all the graphs, we will create the dashboard accordingly to give a clear picture of the analysis of the data. And then we can be shared over different platforms. So this is the view of Power BI dashboard. So you can see that this is visualization part. Okay, here different graphs are here. Here we get the data, whatever data we get from the data source, Excel sheet, CSV file, or different databases. So that is stored here. This field. This is visualization. Here we have the filters. This is the visualization pane. Okay, this is a canvas where we get the visualization of different graphs. Here we get the data. If we click on this, we import the data from different sources. Okay, this is file. Here we can save and different kind of perform different work of saving data, or directly here also we can get the data from. I'll show you afterwards. This is the insert mode. Different kind of modeling is done. Okay, this is this. Let's see. This is a SQL server from where we can get the data also. Excel workbook we can get here directly. We can get, if we click here, we will get different sources available, options. So whatever data we want, if we want to import Excel sheet, we will get the Excel sheet. If we click on databases, that will take us to that data database systems like SQL or Postgres systems. What is the power of visuals? Why data visualization matters? Because it improves our understanding of the data. What is the data? When we analyze the data, if we plot the visual graphs of the data, we get that insight or what data says about that. Likewise, if we have one of the company's sales data, so what is the performance of sales based on the budget, based on the categories, based on the region, which region is performing, uh, uh, giving us the good sale, good amount of profit, like that. That's why this is. Uh, that's why the visual power or visualization is necessary, and these things are done by Python with the help of coding. And here we will use tools. Here you don't need to use any coding and all. Just you need to drag and drop the things. Different type of visualization graphs or charts are available. Bar charts, that is that is for comparing different categories, sales by region, website traffic and all by sources and all. Line charts showing trends over the period of time. Okay, stock prices or sales prices, how that varies from year to year, like that. Pie chart, donut chart, what is the share proportion of market share based on the budget and all. A scatter plot relationship, it shows, gives us the correlation or relationship between the how much budget has been spent over the sales and all. So that gives us that. Maps that shows different geographical sales with, with the help of, based on location or areas, we can say. Table matrix displaying data structure, different formats, detailed sales report, that is depicted here. So these are the different visualization charts and graphs available. This is waterfall chart, this is ribbon chart, this is area chart. No, this is not area chart. This is pie chart, this is God chart, scatter plot, this is card, this is waterfall. Basic visualization are demo kind of things. What we need, why we need this. Show the audience how to connect the data. In the demo part, what we will see, so how to connect the data sources, how different drag and drop options are available to visualize the things. Okay, on canvas, we will select different graphs or charts to visualize our data based on sales, on basis of categories, and we will create the different kind of relationship between the data based on the, to show that the relationship. We will give some visual things by giving some stat chart or map chart or ribbon chart or scatter plot chart to perform these things. Slicer or filters is used. What is the sales by year? What is the sales by region? These kinds of things. Use slicers and filters. So to make it visual appealing and impactful, so we need color combination. We can use different colors to visualize the things, different fonts to give us our title or x-axis, y-axis, like that. So these things are colors, font and titles, and axes are used here. Why dashboards and reports are used? It gives us multi-page documentation. Okay, features, when we create dashboard to show our clients what is the report of their data is. So here we can give them option of slicers where they can filter data based on categories and time period like that, or region, and different other options they can use to give, they filter the data, drill down, exploring data at different level gradually, cross filtering, select data in one visual to filter other visual. So if we filter data in one visual, that gives um, clear picture of other visuals also. What are the best practices available or we can deploy to analyze our data visualization? So for this, first is know your audience. So what is your audience and what is your client? What kind of data they have provided you? So how you will present them? Okay. So if they are financial client, so their database will be different, or that their report will be different. If somebody is from management department, so their records and reports will be different like that. So we can select on basis of the different charts, okay, that suits to represent their reports and all. It should be simple and it must be cost effective, because people or organization are very much very much aware of how much they want to put money or budget for this. Okay, always provide context. What context you are explaining this, you are creating this. Okay, data visualization, and test and iterate and share with the client. After creating all those things, just before submitting to clients, first of all you need to test whether it is a good report or not. Real world examples of Power BI or sales report dashboards, and where it is used. First, sales performance dashboards. It tracks sales metrics, top performing product, top performing regions, what is the sales and profit over period of time, what is the profit based on the region, state wise, okay, product wise, we can get the dashboard performance. Marketing campaign analysis, some digital, if we take the example of any IT company who are into this, they spend a lot of money on digital marketing, so they can track the customer behavior, what are the traffic, from where they are getting this orders. Okay, so these kind of things they can create a dashboard for, and to analyze their uh, behavior pattern of customer and sales values. Healthcare, so monitor patients outcome, how many patients got treated well, what are the results, what is the utilization, hospital utilization, identify area for event where they need to improve their healthcare facilities, if their people are happy or not, patients are happy or not, patients are getting good treatment or not. So all those things analyze, how much budget has been allocated for different departments in healthcare departments, that all those things can be analyzed. Fourth is financial reporting, creating financial statement for any bank or any financial institute, to monitor cash flow, how much they have spent, how much they are getting back. So these kind of reports we can create with the help of Power BI. Power BI, we can connect to different data sources to the Power BI, like Excel, SQL Server, Cloud Server, Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. These are cloud server available, from where we can ingest the data into our Power BI system. Web APIs, there are different APIs available that also stores data, so we can directly connect APIs to our Power BI and analyze the data accordingly, share points, CSV and text file. So these are the data collecting sources available from where we can get the data and directly ingest data into our Power BI system to analyze the data and create reports accordingly based on the client's requirement. These are the data sources. So what kind of system do you need for this Power BI system? Operating system, Windows 10, Windows 8 or 8.1. These are the operating system requirement. You can look into it. Internet Explorer or later is required for the browser, or you can use Google Chrome. These are the system requirements. You can go through. You can look into it. Processor, 1 gigahertz processor of faster RAM, at least 2 GB. Not nowadays, don't use 2 GB. Above 4 GB is recommended always. That gives us good performance, speed. Display and resolution and storage 1 GB of available disk. It requires a minimum 1 GB or less than 1 GB. So you can download Power BI from different methods. First of all, you can go to Microsoft Store that is available if you are Windows system, if you are having Windows system. Otherwise, you can get it from browser or go on Google. You can type Power BI desktop, then directly you can download it. So how to download? Open web browser, then type it and download. It's a simple thing. No need to worry about. You people are very much aware of about this, so you can do it. Now I show you what is the Power BI. How does it look like? This is the, this is the Power BI dashboard. Okay. So here icon that is available. Okay. So if we click here, so we will get this. Okay. Now, how to perform different visualization? So first of all, we need for visualization, we need data. So where we'll get the data from? We have to import the data. This is one method from here also, but I will start here. So here you can see the different options of ingesting the data from. These are the available data sources available. This is Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, data flows, data verse, SQL server, web, text and CSV, and many more. 100 plus data sources are available. Here you can see the list. PDF, folder, JSON, XML, IBM Netezza, IBM Informis, database. Lot more are available. Snowflakes, Azure databases, different types of Azure databases are available. So you can see that there are a lot more options, and whatever options that is available, you can directly connect it with our Power BI systems and analyze the data. That's why this is very much simple and easy to use. So people are using, different companies are also using it. Here you don't need to code any Python code or any other code to analyze the data, but it is just a drag or drop system. That's why very easy and people are using it very much. So, but for me, I have this Excel workbook. I have a sample superstore data set. I have. How you will get this? Just go to here, get data option, just click it, and Excel workbook, then like this sample superstore. I will share with you, then you people can also practice. After completing this session, I will share with you sample super data store. Can you people download this Power BI? You will be able to download, no? Hello, anyone? So we will this will take this order because different seats are available. So we will get all those. Okay. So because this is clean data, if it was not clean, so we had to do transform data, but I will not directly. I will load the data. Just click this because I have selected all those. I can deselect. I can load only orders data also, but this time I'll load every data, every sheet. Yes, this is coming. Yeah, all the data, all data is here. Okay, so let's see how many tables are available. We can see this from here. 9,994 rows are available. Okay, so you can see from here what is the data. You can see what is the data we have we got from this data source. So we can see which tab. After pressing this tab, we can see this. And how many rows are available? Here, this is the count of rows. Okay. You people are getting or not?
Yes,
Whatever.
sir.
Okay. Or already done this, or this is first time for you people. Power BI. So here we will click. See, these are the things available. Okay, different rows, categories, city, country, region, and now we'll analyze different graphs to visualize our data. Okay, so first of all, this is stacked bar chart. Okay, so as we click stacked bar chart, so what are the options here? Y-axis, x-axis, and legend, and so many other options. What we will see? We will see just click here and drag this and drop here. Y, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Just want to see this graph based on categories. So we will put category in x-axis. Let's see what is the graph it is showing. Okay. This is showing this. Or here you can click, this will fit into it. Before that, okay, this fit into this canvas. Just we'll go back. Now we will modify this. we will make it visually appealing by changing tight, by giving some colors option or background color. Let's see. This is the formatting option to make it visually appealing. First, what we will do, we will go to general. Here we will this option title. So we will make it bold. Okay. Color, I will make it, let's see this. Okay. Background color, let it be this one. I will make it center. So this is the option to make it center. Okay. For y-axis, make it bold. All colors are values. I am changing values. Okay. Values of the title, make it bold. This is bold. Just look at it. I will change the color to this. Okay. Now for x-axis, values, make it bold. Color is title bold, and I will give it some different color. Okay. This is white background, so I can give this different color also. We can give this color. Okay. So this is not looking, this is not visible. So to make it visible, transparency you need to be make it to 0. Now this is visible. Okay. Make it to 0 or less. Otherwise, if we go from this will be this will disappear. Okay. So to make it visible, just you need to transparency. You need to make it to 0%. Okay. Now this is transparent. We'll give some effect, background, visual border. I will just on this border radius. This is border radius. We can do this by 9 pixel. Let's see. Yes. No. It should be. effects, visual borders. Let the colors should be visible to make it visible. I can use this color. Yes, this is visible. You people are understanding how to do this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Clear, no? So you will
Yes, sir.
be able to download, no? You will be able to download this Power BI desktop in your system.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And to perform this, if I give you this data set, superset.
Yes, sir. We can do it.
Okay, okay, okay. This is simple, no? Better than
Yes, sir. Simple.
Python. Better than Python, no? Yeah, you don't need to write any code. Like that, you can create this stacked graph. And a lot of more options are available. So I'm running out of time, so I need to show different charts now. So next class or afterwards, I can show you. Otherwise, you can do this in your home. So we will go for next. A stacked column chart. Same thing. Sales in y-axis, category wise, let's see. Okay. In legend, we put city. Yeah. So after hovering here, you can see that office supply, city Aboland, sum of sale 79.03. Here we see category furniture. Okay. Category wise, I am selling. I am seeing it. City is Baltimore. Sum of sales is 4015.83. Okay, like that you can visualize. If we remove this legend, or if we want to see sales, total sales based on city. Oh, sorry. Total sales based on city. So this is the graph we got. So, so here you can go and do all those things needed. You can change the background. Okay, page information like that. Okay, click this. As you click this, you will get the option what you need to do in x-axis, what are the things you want to change in x-axis. You want to change title color, make it bold or background color. Different options are available. You can do this in your home. Okay, just I'm showing you how to do that. So for the y-axis, you can do the same thing. Okay, these are the options. You can make it more visually appealing as per your requirement. Okay, make it more appealing and all. Then for different third clustered bar chart, click this, you will get this. So here we we want to see the total profit based on the region. Let's see. This is showing this type of graph. Or you can use different option also. What is the total sales based on city? So you get this. After clicking it, this will put it in the focus mode. You can make it bigger. Going back here, clicking this will fit into the canvas properly. Okay. Next is clustered column chart. Let's see. What is the total sales based on region? East, west, south. East, west, central, south. What is the total sales? Here it shows 0.8 million total sales. West 0.7. I think, yeah. East is having 0.612 something. So this, you can change the color of this also. Okay. After hovering here, you can get this sales. If you hover here, you will get the sale of east region, for the central region, or south region, like that. From here, you can make it visually appealing. You can change the color combination. You can change the title color. You can change the x-axis color. You can change the data's color. Okay, whichever color you feel like using, you can use it according to your interest. For the y-axis, you can do that. For the x-axis, you have to click. From here, you can change the background color if you want. If you don't want this color, you can change it to this. Okay. If you want to make it disappear, just you need to make transparency need to be 100. This will disappear. If you want to get it back, just you need to less transparency should be 0. Then it will come back. So like this, you can perform this. Now we will see one more graph. Line chart. It gives us the trend over a period of time. So let's see what is the total sales. Total sales over the year. So here we will click. We want to see this over the different. See, this is the trend that is showing. This is the line chart, because line chart is used to show the trend. What is the trend? To 2017, it was here. 2018, sale was, sum of sale was 6,92,9200 and 5.60. For 2017, it is, now we can see for quarters as well. Put this. So different quarterly. Jan, July, Jan to July 17, Jan 16 to July 16. How much sale? So you can just, you need to hover this cursor here for this tool point. So you can see the trend and the total sales quarterly. You can include now date also. So like that, you can see the trends. So here you don't need to code anything, just drag and drop. It is very easy to visualize and create a dashboard. This will be very handy for you people when you get placed. No, if somebody asks you what are the tools other than Python, you can say this. For Power BI or Tableau. In next class, I can give you some hands-on practice for Tableau also. Okay. So now we will see area chart. Area chart is used to visualize cumulative trends over the time, track cumulative sales growth across different years. So what is the sale? Total sale. Total sales over the years. So this is how area chart is depicted or presented. I am not changing any this visual. I'm not formatting visuals. You people can do it. Just showed you in the first example how to do that. So here you can, after clicking this, you will get this. Okay. If you click here, so you will get the option to change the background of this. And if you want to use any wallpaper background, so you can get it from, or Canva background. So you can use different custom background. You can get images and all. So here I show you how to do this. You can use this or available in your system, you can use that. So in place of color, you can use this. Okay. Background you can use other than color. Okay. Now we see scatter chart, how it is done. Total sales, total sales according is scattered. Okay. Otherwise, you can use what is the total sales according to categories. See, this is a scatter here, there. Technology has this much of sale. Technology town, sum of total sales is it's this much. 8,36,154. Office supply has this much of sale. This is one point here scattered here. This point is scattered here. Furniture has 7,41,999.80. So now see waterfall funnel chart. It shows different visualization sales stage from inquiry to order. Okay. So Here we put categories and sales. So it is showing you like that. This is waterfall mode. Okay, waterfall graph looks like this. Okay, you can have quantity, total quantity. We can use some other things also. City wise, let's see what is the total sales city wise or total profit. City wise profit like this. Okay, this is funnel chart. One is tree map. It gives us breakdown of sales by product category or subcategories. Let's see. Categories, put this in this column. Sales, total sales in values. So this shows us tree map. Okay, technology category, how much sum of sales is this much, furniture this much, or office supplies this much of sales has happened. Now for different, let's say for profit, this is sales now. What is the profit? Okay. So technology has this much of profit, 1,45,000, 445. Furniture, some 18,451. And office supply, 1,22,490.80. Okay. This is tree chart. Okay. One more I show you, pie chart. This is very important. You people will be asked in exam also or in interviews. It shows, gives us the percentage contribution to total sales. Okay, based on the categories or states. Let's see what is the total sales based on region. So this shows this is okay. So we can use some different other than region. We can see what is the pie chart for categories, total sales categories. Okay, category wise, how much sales technology has given us, how much for this furniture, how much for office supply. These are the percentage proportion, okay, of sales. However, here your cursor, here you can see this. Other is donut chart. As donut looks like, so it also gives the portion and percentage. Okay, so let's see what is the total sales or profit. Let's see, this time profit. Ah, fit into this. Yeah, see. This is the portion of profit based on categories. Okay. For region wise, what is the profit region wise? Let's see. Okay. One is card option. So we can show here what is total sales. If we put in this total sales, just you need to put the value. You can show this. Total sales is 2.30 million. Okay. So card is used to show continuous amount. Analysis done, this done, this done. The area chart is also done. That this is not required. God chart. So everything is done. Okay. So now you people can practice at your home. Okay. Can you people download this Power BI and practice? Shall I share this Superstore data with you so that you can
Yes, sir.
practice?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So, in any doubt in understanding,
No,
or
sir.
you people,
Not till now.
you, uh, this is first time or have you done before?
Sir, this is our first time. Essentially, if
Okay.
anybody has done on his own, then we don't know. But in the part of syllabus, this is first time.
Okay. So this is probably easy, no? Better than this Python, no?
Yes, sir. It
Yes, sir.
is
Easy.
comparatively easier than Python.
Okay. One more is Tableau. If you people want me to walk you through,
Yes, sir.
so next
Sure.
class,
Sure. Sure,
Yes,
because
sir.
sir.
this
We
is
can
same
discuss Tableau.
visualization tool. So here I whatever I have shown you know. So try to make it more appealing. So this is where you can format your report. Okay, you can change title, use different colors and bold, make it bold, text and visual to make it visually appealing. So you can do that at your home whenever you get the time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me share this Superstore data with you people. Okay, I'll share with you afterwards after completing this. So now done. Okay, any questions you people have, so you can ask me. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.